Hey there, welcome to our podcast deep dive into next level AI strategies. Today we're chatting about how entrepreneurs can scale from hustle to high growth empires using advanced AI prompts. Absolutely, I'm really intrigued. So many ideas about turning prompts into profit machines. What's the key angle here? Well, the idea is to harness the explosive power of AI, like GPT-5, Claude 4, Gemini 2.5, and Grok 4. These aren't just tools. They're reasoning engines designed to automate workflows, generate high converting content almost instantly. Right, so it's basically about moving beyond old school tactics stuck in 2023 and into a whole new era of AI powered precision. How does that play out for businesses? Exactly. Think of it as building a personal blueprint where you're using fill in the blank, open ended, and even hybrid prompts that evolve your output quality by, 2 to 5 times per level. You set up a system where each prompt is like a mini automated process on steroids. Yeah, that's cool. And what's impressive is that users are actually seeing efficiency gains of 3x to 10x. For example, solo founders who turn to this method have replaced expensive copywriters, saving thousands monthly. That's a huge win, isn't it? Absolutely. And it really gets into the nitty-gritty of building a prompt library empire. Imagine like having 10 core must-haves including brand voice mega prompts, headline factories, competitor teardowns, and more. It's like creating your own arsenal to outsmart competition. I do have to ask though, don't you think relying so heavily on these advanced models might risk overcomplicating things? Sometimes the basics work best. That's a fair challenge. I mean, it's like, if you think about it, overcomplication can be a trap. But this approach is actually structured with a clear roadmap, the 2026 Prompting Maturity Pyramid, which guides you from basic one-shots to fully autonomous agentic loops. It's step by step, so you're not thrown in at the deep end. That makes sense. It's kind of like leveling up in a game. You start at level 1 and build up your skills until you're running entire workflows automatically. Exactly. And get this, it's designed for multiple personas: entrepreneurs, marketers, creators, even software testers. It's about capturing that efficiency arbitrage, automating tasks so fast that competitors who are still using outdated methods really feel the pressure. Yeah, that's a strong motivator. And for a digital product like this, instant access after purchase is a huge bonus. No waiting around for shipping, just immediate download via PDF, right? Totally right. It's delivered as a neat 10 MB PDF, so all you need is Adobe Reader or even your browser. And come on, when the offer drops from $99 to only $49, that's a no-brainer for anyone looking to stay ahead. Absolutely. It's definitely giving us a glimpse of the future: multimodal, multilingual mastery, predictive CTR, A/B testing, and automating content funnels that practically print money. That sounds like a dream workflow. Exactly, it's like transforming traditional systems into innovative profit engines. And hey, with the toolkit provided, you can even troubleshoot across multiple models and optimize to get the best ROI. It's a full package for scaling your growth in a rapidly evolving AI landscape. Yep, you got it. Well, I think any business owner or marketer looking to seize the moment should seriously consider diving into this blueprint. It's not just about keeping up, it's about outpacing the competition. You nailed it. This blueprint isn't just an upgrade, it's a complete reimagining of how we do business with AI. And execution compounds. Save those prompts, build chains, and keep testing models. That's the real key to building an unstoppable empire. Right on. Thanks for breaking it down. Ready to go create something unstoppable.